Good day. So next on the agenda for my 2004 Hayabusa is to replace the rubber brake line to the rear brake with a Galfer stainless steel line. So here's the kit. Here's the fittings and the brake line. Looks like that. So the brake fluid reservoir is in here. That's the visual for the level, which means I'm going to take off this rear body piece here. Let's see, just lift up the seat. I took the bolts off already. Should be able to see brake fluid reservoir under here. Should be in there. Let's see. Right. There it is there. It's similar to the front brake reservoir. There's 2 Phillips screws to take out. And looks like there's a fastener there. And there's some push pins here. 1, 2, 3. And the same on the other side to get this off, and then see where's the bleed on this. It's here. Take this off. Attach a plastic line to this to drain out the fluid, and reconnect take this rubber line off. Connector here. There's the connections here. Take this bolt off. See, loops around through here. Gotta pry this back. Pry these off. Pry these open. Pay attention how it loops around the swing arm. I'm guessing we'll do the same thing. The steel line. Anyhow, that's the task. So I'll get to it and see you in the next video.